Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. On command in the terminal. I wait for a few lines to appear. I know it's ready. I play Tamer today. Still allowed to press the replay. Restart button. It will not. Okay, it's ready. It runs in the browser. Kill host for me. Clear the state. Start fresh. Okay, I'm the guy in the middle. The glass I tamer. Yeah, it's aside the enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get the highest score based on how far away from the middle I died. Goal is to get as far away as possible. But dying, heads get stronger. Further away, heads get stronger the more they kill. Enemies get stronger the further away they are from the middle. And now I play until I die. It's similar, which makes it slower. And take him. Take this way. This boss skill gives abilities from that want to be careful. Because I fed the wrong one. My painter is fed. This. Let's do fireline. This is perfect. It's perfect. It will and it's fair. protect me. Act. Do I want protect me? Stop so I can decide for upgrades. I don't want to get fed on the painter. So I take save factory. I have less on dash. This is good. I think I want a wood later, but and wait, champion. Okay, this is perfect. Okay. Hit him. Q. Duplications is fine. Shorter leash, fine. Never get fat is bad. Long leash, explode is not helpful. Don't know. I think I go for it's fat, although it's problematic because I don't see how its being status is. Oh, yeah. This one. It looks happy. Protect me. Boss. Okay. Touch. Stop. Slower. And eat less. Perfect. One more root. Damage taken. I think I take the root. Where sweet less. Like, okay. Dangerous. So from two sides, and left side was killed first. So I went to the wrong side. Okay, I died. Should I take this one? I think I keep the old one. Okay, this was 1-1. Increase version next. 304 today. Next. See it. I changed it. Thanks. darkness, make modifier darkness, save in permanent storage. I think for a moment. It's a problem that if I put it too close, it doesn't reset back. Let's think about it. Yeah, so this is no correct. These two are correct. I need it for replace. And place in for saving. Call permanent data. Player data, no. I also have to check something. I have all in a separate storage. Does it make sense? I can at least delete each part, but I can do it either way. It is different parts of state. Okay, the thing is I could just save permanent data. It's kind of in building. I would have only one remove, but I don't want to remove play data. It's not in here, I guess. Deep copy will stay. Or we play. I save. Only turn. Inner data. Data and data. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 6, 7. Here, 2 more. For example, high scores are not part of it. Because it's for replay, I don't need high scores. Okay. But is a possible field. Okay. Set local storage save data. I can save a part. Never need to save the whole thing. Does it matter? It's a bit more performant if I know what I have to save. Instead of up all the time. So the advantage of having different storages is I can save parts more easily. Disadvantage is I think I need a few more functions. Depending on how much I have to put in there over time, it might be a bigger difference. Should I try changing it? If I change it, my queue and replace will break. This will always be the case if I change it. It's break all the time, so what should I do? It's like minor problems. Unclear what's best. To add cursors. And what I need is just a string array? No. Do I need curse array? Guess. This can be imported. Now it's part. Need local storage. Cursors. Cursors. To this I wouldn't need. This I wouldn't. This would still be. And I would always save everything. I think safe buildings is more complicated now. Loading is the complicated part. I usually only save on restart. Don't we make there's a problem with is the loading part. Set this I will need all. Thing to save. I feel like I want to change it and see how it looks different. So it breaks everything. I think most replays don't have start data, so let's break everything and see what happens. I don't want these. I local storage game. This is just telling me it's game. Then I will storage loot. I still to I would just get storage. This wouldn't part dependent. Then I would in this one. This would be of type data parts. Can also be undefined. Get item doesn't exist on this one. Or I don't call it storage. Game local storage, let's call it. Oh, what did he do? Oh, I can't call it permanent data. This way it's not assignable to a string, not accepts null. Let's go. Let me find this. Player characters. Oh, this will change to permanent data. Permanent data parts. I have a permanent data parts past characters. Now he tells me it's this one, perfect. Has to be for everyone. Kings. Let's scroll up first. King. Next. Kings. Kings. He has a question mark. This cannot be the case. Oh, I have it. Oh, I can check this. Buildings. Buildings. Layer data. was. Change later. Okay, I have changed a lot. No. It's this, I guess. Didn't check. It's undefined, I return. Does he care? String null. Oh, this gives a null. This is a string. Oh, the item JSON parse it. And this can then be undefined. No. This return close null and it returns undefined. Okay. It returns any. It can return any. So if it returns undefined, I return, else I load each part. Switch load. It's just one line. Having a function for it seems wasted. And set permanent data for replay. This will be this way. Saving will now be everything of local storage save. Check this after data switch can start as an empty something, I guess. Then everything in. At the end, I local storage object. Don't even need the deep copy because I threw it away. And let's skip it. stringify and save. I have next kings are part of it. Kings, high scores. High scores are not in it. High scores are from game state high scores. Past characters are part of it. Buildings are part of it. Data is missing. Data and play data. Only player 0. Okay. Wondering. But yes, it's enough. So incorrect one, doesn't matter. Achievements are part of it. Set permanent data from play data. To this. It's a question mark. A storage load. I have load for everything. So each part checks and loads differently. So I shouldn't function load permanent data. Data paths game is to be undefined. Now just checked and I S I do this and these can be deleted. There's 10 errors. Add storage game and this gives me a string parts. Is this fine? Or I can some personal. So this would be data parts are undefined. This is not all data parts word. It's not. It's outdated. Game word. I do it. Game word is part of save, I guess. Third. Something. Save. What did I call it? Local storage save. Save. I was still. So now I hope. Versus I did not do and data courses deep copy name state map versus modifiers. This is not a curse. It was a map modifier. Game map. It's correct. Not curse, is map modifier. Okay. Modifier. Map modifier. That's what I save. This might I do. It's the same here. Deep copy. This. Now I need to load fire. No, don't change it. There's something. Let's take this as an example. Fire map modifier. I don't have then game state modifiers is empty, I guess. set it, and there's nothing state I need to change. I hope. ID. I have an ID. I need to change it. The ID is for an modifier. It might even work without changing it. So I guess I can keep it. Okay, let's assume it works without it. Storage safe now. Should. I think I now save a lot of times. Can check if I use locations where I save. I uh, now it's fine. Does this saving work? I finish an achievement, I save achievement. The problem is that I save things. I think I can lose my legendary now. Okay, this is a problem. Now I remember. I have achievements. Achievements are the one thing that can be saved in between, I guess. This is the only one, then I can do it differently. Past character change on death, king's change on restart, buildings. So I could save when I upgrade modifiers, I change on boss spawn. If I save achievements only at the end of one, feels bad. But I need to save the money I get from it. It's permanent data. So currently I could get an achievement with it and then have the achievement but not the money. So oh, storage save. Let's find all references. First, I do a save when I don't have a state yet. When my game version is outdated. That throw it away and save. Created new. To the current game, okay. Players add money. Okay, I saved when I added money. So achievements and permanent player data. Special. I save. I place in a building. Save. If I... This feels like I called it twice. There might be... Did I hear return? Okay. Okay, it works. I save a lot. Save if I change something in here. Back in building. Place in building. And if king, okay. Let's go on game. So I have two types of saving. Storage save all. And I have local storage save it game. It. So here I not allowed to save. This works differently. I first have to save the load. Save permanent data paths. I put in object, and this is what he filled. So this part. Okay, let's rename it. I'm confused. Don't want to load them. Data. Save mid-game. If they should be defined, okay, let's check. If they are not, I return. So if I am mid-game, I am not allowed to save these three are mid-game saves, I guess. I get the queue saved. There's nothing there. It's strange. I achievements, permanent player data, and map modify. Changed during the one. And then I set it. And now every call needs to be either mid-game or all. Money is mid-game. It is broken. Okay, this is an all. Let's go over these links. Okay, they go here. Need 0 breaks, I save. App object place upgrade building. This is all. This should happen on start. Go here. And I save empty building. This is all. Put it. Move. Legendary building. I should have name problems, doesn't matter. Also building. Building for king is also on. I save high score on game end is all. Now I save a lot. Should also change it. I save character as past character or king enemy. What do I save here? Save player as king is also all. Achievements is mid-game. Mid-game. Now permanent data. Save all. I want to go backwards. The end game. There is an end game. Hope all happen in here. Last build. The function here, I call it endgame state. Endgame state? Okay, I'm in cheat. Game state. I call the class building. Don't know if I want to save this. This goes here. Here. It's in game. This is an end game. Two references. By king. Class building check. See who calls it. End game. Game restart. Why is it in two positions? Because I can restart without playing the game. Yes, correct. If I take it, I don't save. I end the game, I save. But if I do this, I go here, I get local storage. Game restart, I trigger. Did not become king. Didn't know I trigger save of. Did trigger save of builds. Trigger save of everything is fine. To the next. Well, less the same. Let's go to high scores. It's on game end. Game all. If character is past character. Will it also be cheats game? Set player as king. Save the last one. This happens on game end. It's only is called here on game end. Okay, everything happens in game end. So one exceptions by restart. So should I only save all on game end game? Storage save all game. I do it here. Wouldn't need it everywhere else, I guess. I will still need it. Let's remove them. See. The class building. Legendary. Place player building. I put back stuff. I put back stuff again. Okay, and save. Character as past character. There's also the point which don't clear other things. Oh, I didn't pay attention. What did I delete? Okay, this can be deleted. This king, I can delete it here. Okay. Data. And again. And didn't clean up. More. Here, and I use here. Interested. I should no longer be able to load something. Don't see an error. Start doesn't save. I don't have anything. If I die, sniper level 3. See him here. See him here. Load. Sniper level 3. See. By kicking. Restart. Load. Should not have triggered a load yet. Have a building. I bought. Have $8. And now we start. I have $10. Nothing in here. Did we start? Restart doesn't trigger. So spending money does not save. I could save mid-game for spending money. Which means permanent data. Achievements. This would also require buildings, but buildings have legendaries. This worked? It's not. So I don't save. I spend money on a. But I can break it. Achievements. I don't have any finished. So I restart. I have spent $6. I get $2. This should save. Now if I load at $6, I have $6 spent. This looks correct. How should I be able to break it? Didn't I save mid-game? If I get an achievement, I save my local storage mid-game. This I save player data. Ah, this decides the building, of course. Perfect, perfect. Okay, and do this once. 2, 3, 4. I have this one. This will not disappear once I did it close. And now I save. It grows. No, I don't trigger saving currently for app modifier. Permanent data. I think only when I get. If I get money. What achievement can I get? Distance of 10,000 gives me money. Boss kill is game end. Player class end is game end. Distance king. Okay, only 10,000 distance can still trigger. Triggered it. This means I now have 26. As we start, 26.6. 26.6 and then save. Feels correct. So can I somehow make saving? Let's give an endgame state. I need to die to save everything. Now, game ended. I should be able to restart and have everything still. Have stuff invested. If I take this, I reload. See, take this. And I die. I reload. Kia. It's level 3. Should have comes. It's a curse. Small dude which helps me. Don't shoot. I die. It's 171. So far. It feels like it could work. Guess this will destroy some replay. This is vector per data and no add. First add modifier 2 and refactor permanent data. Okay, I think change it up. Now I have at least in I now have data which is no longer. I have I could delete these. No, delete. Oh, I deleted something incorrect. Game. I lost my replay data. Settings? Settings is not game. See the size. Okay. It's one of tests. Since it's new. I think I remember the time of this one. See, 7, 8, it's a bit slower. 6, 8, I think. The replays aren't even affected, I guess. I will wait for all. Is correct that all work? Oh, I didn't move down. Tamer false. Okay, perfect. This is... The tamer has these bus finding. Wonder why the tamer the ball should also be able to trigger it. So it doesn't. Well, it's the timing. Okay, replays still work, which is good. I'm still unsure if this save order will work. Replay data always already used it, so okay, I understand. Map modifier. Set to empty. I hope this is fine. So I should now be able to use so this hint should no longer be correct. Because it's part of replay data. Synclo. If process curse should entire direction be affected? I guess yes. Info course information. But let's try a short test. delete everything. Okay. Die. The last one. Do I get a result? It was fine. So I guess it's working. So I assume my changes work. Okay, if I want to have a celestial direction in darkness, okay, let's try. And I should more than one curse possible. More than one. Okay. So let's do it. I start by letting it close. I also want low king, close king. Next. Now I should have everything I want to stop. Let's make a small change. Speed does not just stop nation. I have my settings. Get a lot of experience. Add sheet button. Now is a layer input. Where's it handled? I think I have cheats. Yes, I have cheat. Okay. Toggle cheats. Endgame state. Add a lot of experience here. I act. And I want to skip level animation. How can I do it? Game? Image meter display. Is it level UI? So if I do level UI, do I have here? It's airway. Take 0. Last painted level. Can I clear this? find out. So take this. Doesn't seem to work. It's undefined. What does he do? Puts nothing in here. I don't have it. Should put the level in. So I would assume setting it to undefined should work. Or it could be, wait, it is in game you are level, player character level, or something with ability. This is. This could be also in set undefined. Let's try it. Okay, perfect. Now let's go normal. Still yes. They still behave normally. Okay. Now added experience. Oh, I almost close because this is all I want. Experience. Oh, I hit him. See. This little guy now. It's only 10% of my damage. And he teleports. Would have searched for the target further. So now don't do low HP. As he has 200. 200. But it's what I wanted, I guess. So the king is now cursed. I cannot see it. It's the cursed king. I now want to make this area cursed. Did a small change. She a lot experience XP animation. Oh. Now I have an area. I have, is it map? Modifiers, shapes, rectangle. Map circle, map rectangle, and map celestial direction, but it is more a map shape. I should also. Currently, I only use them as shapes. Rename. Map shape, rectangle. Rename. Shapes. Okay, now I have them ordered. I have nothing. I base it on circle. It in. Let's find circle and one with celestial direction. I'm currently unsure. Do I? Doesn't have an X and Y. No, it has an celestial direction. That's all. Doesn't have as a middle. Is a middle required? To find out. In shape with. No, this is shape. So we'll cut out. Now get area will not work. I'm a special area. Set area to amount also does not work. I'm a special area. This position inside I need. Get paint clip path I need. In shape with circle cutout. I also need. Let's see. This will change in the future. Middle. This is big. Didn't. Let's. I have something. He now complains that I'm missing. So let's see what happens if I do. I make these three unnecessary. He's happy. This will not work. That two bugs. keep it for now. Now he will have problems because should be able to return undefined. And check is this function exists. I can return this. No. I have this function, I can return it, else I return undefined. Now I can do the same thing for others. This function exists. I don't allow undefined yet. Does not anything number define. Now I should have new problems. It's for now. Want the problems in here out. On here. Where modifier. Is undefined. Modifier darkness. Okay, for celestial direction I have middle. I could do the same for middle. Spawn. Should have want to have it. Want to crash it if I cannot reset the boss. Wait, object cost darkness. This should exist. Bosses need to have it. So now I have no errors left. I need clean up. I have to don't paint arcs. I will not clip it yet. I want... What is even the corner? I have, let's call it const top. Do I need 4 points? Position. Let's call it shape points. Position array starts empty. I have if celestial direction equals, what do I have? Start with north. Shape points are shape points push. I need oops. North to see what I need. North would mean don't want to start in the middle. Let's do 200. No, north means x0. I have 4 points. I want to start, say, const start distance. Something like minus start distance. Minus start distance is 2. Note this would be start distance. So it would still be minus start distance times 2. So bottom left, bottom right. Now I would need to go to top right. Const max distance. Let's do 1,000,000. This would be minus 1,000,000. Top right plus 1,000,000. Feels off. Have these points, I will find out later. And now minus 1,000,000. It's more a switch based on celestial direction, case, no case, north, case, east, and I have a case east, case south, case west. So these are missing. In my test data I have it east, north, east, southwest. Okay, if it is I need a center offset, I guess. const center set position is equals x is game map, no, game state map. Chunk size, game state map, tile size times state map chunk length. I have chunk size. And I don't know, is a positive center offset. Can do this. I can, let's change it. Center offset, not a position but a number, could now be chunk size divided by 2 mass floor, because it's, now this would mean start distance of 100. I go 100 up and I go 100 to the sides. And I would need center offset. I need it on all. Okay, now let's do it here too. And this time I go into west to the left. Left means start distance is fine. Top left. I go top left. Next would be bottom left. So left is bottom left. Now I go bottom. Go left, bottom. And then I go top left. So left gives me negative, top is negative. Now I have to, no, clip pass I here for every point. To calculate them to paint points. Okay, I can do let point of shape points const paint point is paint point get point paint position ctx. I have point, I have camera, I have two. It doesn't have zoom. Games, no game UI. Now I have ctx of 2 paint point. Paint point x, paint point y. I don't set the first point, what happens? Let's do circle. Okay, this is an arc, that's not the problem. Get rectangle is also an rectangle. In part. Arcs. Also forgot the begin pass, I guess. No, I begin pass. But I save? Okay. In pass fill, I set color, I move to, but I should be missing one CTX. What move to? What was it? Line, oh, line to, move to, incorrect. I have line 2, but I need line 2, I guess. Rectangle doesn't use line, oh, I use line 2s. I don't have a starting point. It works. I would assume the first one should be a move to. Did? I will see. Doesn't like the point. Not find point. Okay, because I have here something. So the general idea now is I have a west direction where I paint something. I do not this was based on circles, so let's have this circle. Let's rename it in shape. Circle cutout. The circle cutout is not part of it yet. I have to add it to shapes. Now it exists, but I do not create one yet. How do I do it? In-game init. Modifier darkness. In-game init. Game map modifier. This is I do this. This is a special modifier. Is it a map modifier? Want it to work as one? Would mean on game init. I create the boss. Something doesn't add up. Get shape middle. Can return undefined. I return if I don't have it. If I don't have it, I'm in celestial direction. Don't have it. Don't need to push. This is correct. But do not create. Don't need to do anything else in here. I'm confused. I have point modifier late. This should also work. Paint position. The modifier. Shape with circle cutout. Sets. Then I make the clip. So, okay, this should work too. Only need to edit. When do I edit? This is different in the sense that it gets position inside shape. I did not copy it. It's position inside shape. See. This is an area. Let's call it area. Chunk middle. So position. I have need the map. Get the middle of the map. So I need the game. Game state map. And if directions are the same, this is what I turn. Now the function doesn't add up. It's need the game in here. Should create a new error because I don't put it in. Game. Should create a new error because I don't the information. This is an exclamation mark. ignore. Now I'm lost again. Many is what I need to do. Map modifiers, I did the middle calculation, so I can use this. Pass the game, and so I can get the position inside shape. Don't have a middle. Now I do not tick the paint map modifier map modifier. I currently use circles. Can move the rectangle for now. I basically want to test the other one. Cell direction, celestial direction. Celestial direction. What? Okay, maybe this. F2. This is not correct. Where did the second come from? Modifier shape. Type. Do I need to set it? I don't think so. Type. So I have only one input. Name celestial direction. No. Celestial direction. Make it this way. This way. No, I do not have these values. I only have, say, north, for example. Now I could use this area. I cannot increase its size. This should just not work. I check if I have it. I don't have it. Okay. This is interesting. It will happen. Because there is already one, he doesn't add a second one. So let's get it close. Now let's reset. Now let's. Okay. Now I set it to 100. I should be in it. Let's. Oh no, okay. Perfect. I don't see anything which is expected. Let's check how well it's centered. not perfectly. And it's this one. Based on this, it is. I think my center is still here, so I accept it. Start distance 500. I'm on 500. Confused. Let's read everything. Okay, that is fair, I would say. Now I need the circle cut out in there. Celestial directions. Is this something I need to get paint position? I need which direction? East is to the right. To the right is positive always. And I start top, bottom, bottom, top. This is correct. South is down. Down is always positive. I start, go to the right. Looks fine. West was here, or west is left. Now I need to get the clippers in. Fix the clippers. The clippers is always same shape points here. Should I just use the path 2D directly? CTX path G? Don't know. F. I need these points. No, I function shape points. I start distance, max distance. These ones I want. Game. Map area. Selection. And I return points twice. So it returns positions. Change this to here. game. Happy, he doesn't need c3. All he can do directly. Doesn't matter, let's make it strange. Don't have an arc, I have the same as here. Just not line 2. No, rec pass. I'm unsure if this is correct, but let's just try it out. Doesn't look correct. Let's rec pass arc. And I save the clip. I forgot this one. Circle position. This should be values I have. Circle position. Ah, I circle radius is broke it. I am confused still. It's getting closer. First paint this circle, let's do rectangle. Rectangle, and then I do blind to the end again. So I go a arc, then I go back to my first point maybe. No, this is not the paint point. I would expect it to go back by itself. Do I? Do I have an order? Which one's more? Okay, there is something with vision. Doesn't matter yet. This doesn't. And somehow moves around. So, two things. Start distance is 200, so I see it. Move the arc. Just to be sure. Now Till here it is what it should be. And now I paint a circle. I do not know. So, and if I go in, it's like here is a point. Which breaks everything. So I paint 6, and I'm here. Then I go here, paint here, and go back here. So I need the first point again. Okay, I need that first point is just some point 0, 1, 0. No, I start undefined. Undefined point if first point not, then first point is equal point. This is events. I don't change it, so I first point. He complains that it might be undefined. I need to have it. Nothing happens. Now he paints. Did I did. Did I paint it? So now I paint here, 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 here. I go back to the start. I go circle. Go here. Let's try to go here. This changes anything? No. Could be the problem. Let's do the other direction. Let's do the false. Also I expect it to. Okay, let's think. Why does it matter? Take this rectangle example. I go. Start always top left. And I go to the right. I down. Then I'm up. Then I to the start again. I paint the arc this way. I go to the start again. Unsure why it's now false. I can just accept it, I guess. But now I have was in darkness. That made it. Okay. Interesting. It works. This is one that's important. But I should come to an end. Let's try the other directions, east. He doesn't get a new one. Okay, 8. Something is strange here. Ah, I understand. Okay, this is correct. Feels strange, but it's correct. So, entering east, south. No, it did go directly south. And south doesn't work. West. West on does also not work. Because my points end at a different position. Does it need to end top left? If I now do, I would guess it does work. Yes. Now I have to find out what the difference is. Getting hungry. Okay. I start at different positions, but I go always clockwise. I guess. So let's compare. I start minus. Do I go always clockwise? I start top left. I go to the right. Go top. Oh, that's not clockwise. Okay. Compare to south. Start left. Bottom. And I go to the right. Bottom. I go down. This is clockwise. Okay, then let's do all in the same direction. Which means I need to change this. I start to the right. I go this direction. Go left. I go top. Maybe I did it correctly. So on just good luck. And let's see what happens. West, north. North. East. East works. South. Okay, they all work. Okay, looking decent. And This is not what I want to use. This is a circle. It doesn't matter. I go to circle as default. I delete. Check if it still works. I should save it. Doesn't save it? I guess. No, I did not. I'm confused. I do not save it on increase. Okay. Need to check it later. Let's write down tasks. I think my stuff is map area type celestial direction. Commit. I have done this. This is what I want to do. I added. The next one is on if king has curse spawn map area. If king dies, remove. Something like this. Okay, I have task for next times. Oops. If tests. Oh, I hope everything works. Did I break something? I don't think so. So this fails, but it should reach the king. Other normal replace speed again. Which means tamer is still the one I need to do. Wonder why there were 28 pathfinding stops. Not important. Probably adjust the long pathfinding because a lot of blocking tiles. Should pay attention next time. Okay, everything works as expected. I can gets deployed, it's pushed. And with this, I have a task for next time, so I'm done for today. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.